It is not a hot take to say that with fame and wealth comes luxury cars. It's quite rare to see a top YouTuber, pro athlete, or A-list movie star without a beautiful, oftentimes costly, vehicle that further emphasizes their status in the hierarchy of fame. Whether it's a Ferrari, a Lamborghini, or a Rolls-Royce, getting behind the wheel of an extravagant car is one of the biggest benefits of living the lifestyle, the rich, and the famous. However, one person you won't see driving an old favorite car of his is Tom Cruise, who is permanently banned from purchasing a Bugatti, one of the top car brands in the world. The French company, known for having some of the fastest cars on earth, is also known to have strict rules and regulations for its clientele. Bugatti owners not only need to spend $21,000 on yearly maintenance, but also must change their tires every 10,000 miles driven. While this is just a drop in the bucket compared to the cost of the car itself, which ranges anywhere from $3 million to $12.5 million as per Motor Trend, these added expenditures can make Bugattis a hassle to upkeep. However, none of these technical requirements are the reason that Cruise was banned from ever purchasing a new Bugatti. Instead, the one-time star of The Last Samurai was banned for a minor flub back in 2006, when he struggled to open the passenger side door of his Bugatti Veyron at the premiere of Mission Impossible 3. That's right, a slightly awkward moment where he attempted to open a seemingly locked car door nearly 20 years ago resulted in Cruise being banned from purchasing a Bugatti ever since. While Katie Holmes, Cruise's wife and passenger on that fateful day in 2006, was soon strutting alongside him on the red carpet, the Jack Reacher lead's moments of struggle were deemed too embarrassing for the supercars brand to ever allow it to happen again. Don't feel too bad for Cruise, however, because he's in good company. For one reason or another, Floyd Money Mayweather, Flo Rida, Simon Cowell, and 2009 Formula One world champion Jenson Button have also been indefinitely banned from purchasing a Bugatti. Furthermore, while a new Bugatti won't be joining Cruise's garage anytime soon, he has made sure to keep it full with other luxury cars, such as BMWs, Chevrolets, Mustangs, and his infamous Bugatti Veyron. Over the years,